In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can draw a trend line in TradingView. Now, one of the easiest way to draw a trend line is to convert your candlestick chart to a line chart. So I'm going to select the candlestick option here and then select line. So this will eliminate some of the noises of where you want your trend lines to touch, right? So one of the key things when drawing a trend line, you want to have at least 3 to 4 touches on your trend line. So you're going to look for a swing high to draw a downtrend or a swing low to draw an uptrend. So here we have an high here and then the trend started going down. So we're going to swing from point A, ensure we have at least 3 touches. Alright, so here we had 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch, and then a 5th one that broke it and pushed up, and then we had a break and retest. Now we're technically trending up because we had a low here. Now we broke this lower high, and what's going on now? We have in a higher high. So here we can identify a potential uptrend line. So we're going to go from swing low, identify at least 3 touches, and extend our line. And that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.